What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a come grocery shopping with me / get my pantry together / organization video. I don't know why I keep saying slash, but it's just a pantry organization video after I'm done grocery shopping. So I want to show y'all the before and show you the plan of what we have. The pantry was non-existent in the beginning. It used to be a hallway, so Garrett has built 2 shelves in there temporarily to help us have a place to store things for the time being, but we will get in here and add more shelves into it. Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this here is our pantry, and then you slide it open, and this here is our pantry. So see that these are the 2 shelves we have right now to hold everything, but we want to build up and then we want to build over. So those will be pushed back a little bit so we can build over here, so when we open it up it's all storage. And I got some cereal dispensers to go on this wall, so it'll be neat, so we can get rid of these big boxes out of here. But yes, there's a plan for the pantry, but we're still working on it. But as of now, I bought a crap ton of containers, which is here off of Amazon, to organize everything and make it look neat. All will be in my Amazon storefront. But yes, I also got a Cricut. I haven't updated y'all because a lot of the videos that I want to post currently, I have to wait till I do my brunch with my girls for my wedding, because it's a lot of Cricut DIYing and gift giving and stuff like that. So that has to wait until August 27th. But anyways, y'all, if I haven't said it yet, but I got a Cricut, and my goal is to figure out what will go in each of these containers and put a label on it. Like my pasta will go in here, and then I'll have like chips and stuff and animal crackers and stuff that goes in here, because we do eat a lot of that stuff quite often. So I don't know, I'm just excited because I got all of these off of Amazon, and I'm excited to organize everything and at least make the 2 shelves that we have in here now more organized. Because as you can see, we have Pop-Tarts behind, Fruit Loop, like it's just like you can't really like see much. And yes, this is not what we eat, y'all. Like this is not all that we eat. I know it looks like junk, but all the food is gone. That's why I need to go grocery shopping. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm about to go grocery shopping. I got this cold drink dispenser off of Amazon as well. How it pushes the drinks forward like that. He already drank all the Coke. And then my containers for my refrigerator, but I've always had these, so that's not really a big deal. But she's empty. So I definitely need to go and get some more food. Need to go and get some more food, and then we'll get to the organization part where I start placing things where they need to be and labeling all of my containers, which I'm extremely excited about. I think we're supposed to get a storm here at like 2, so I need to actually hurry up because it's 11 o'clock. So yeah, come with me to go to the store.
The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Washington County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Pleasant County in northwestern West Virginia, northeastern Ritchie County in northwestern West Virginia.
You're gonna question how smart I am to be going grocery shopping when I know there's a storm and possibly gonna be a power outage. But y'all, I'm off. Today's Monday and I'm off of work, so I need to utilize my time wisely and get this crap done. So we'll see. Picked up a little sidekick to do the grocery shopping with me. I neatened the cart up because she had it looking like a tornado storm. And she also lost her phone and couldn't find it. And she was just freaking out, and she started flipping the basket upside down. Somebody need to go shut that baby up. Brown sugar, you're your mom's child. Y'all, she was not supposed to come in the store for all this. When she get home, Garrett gonna whip her butt. Look at all that stuff in their basket. Her pocket's gonna be hurt. Watch. Y'all, she about to drop a bag in this store. How she don't know what kind of food her own son eats?
I can't buy this. This is a lot of money.
Oh, don't be mad because you gotta eat them pans, because you should never put. Oh, girl. Oh, a girl. Walk like a model. I think I need all that. She missing them grapes. I feel bad for the lady that she's still eating the grapes. I feel bad for this girl that gotta check all this stuff out. All this stuff in this girl is. Come on, unload this stuff, girl. Y'all, her car's all loaded up. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back in my kitchen. I went down the road for a little bit because the storm was projected to be worse than it was, and apparently we're still in it a little bit, but it's not bad at all. It's like a regular thunderstorm. But as you can see in the back here, a little bit over there, right here, everything's still in bags. Everything in the refrigerator is still in bags. Everything in the freezer is still in bags. So what I'm about to do now is gather everything, put it on the kitchen table, and figure out how I want to place everything in each container and how I want to organize the pantry. So we're gonna go from there. So the first thing I'm gonna do, like I said, is take everything out of these boxes, these bags and boxes, and place them on the table. Okay, I also have this cabinet. Wow, we just bought ketchup and we have ketchup under here. Wow, I just bought all that Alfredo sauce and have Alfredo and Prego. Oh, wow. Yeah. Our canned goods and ravioli and noodles and pasta and stuff. So I'm about to empty this out as well and put it on the table and decide what I want under here now. So, so this is all of the food out of this cabinet. I can't breathe for some reason, y'all. So I'm gonna work on the canned goods last, so I might end up putting them in the pantry now. But let's start over here with this. I'm gonna start over here just placing things in the container, and then I'll label them after the fact. So let's go. So this is what the pantry's looking like, emptied out. Dog food stays down there, and then the picnic baskets can get stored under there. Ew, my hands are so ashy now. Anyways, but yeah, empty. So I need to make sure we're utilizing these 2 shelves as best as we can until we build the rest of them. So yeah, time for me to put that in here perfectly, okay? All right. So after all day of working, I'm gonna leave off here. Everything is in its designated container. I have not made the labels yet, but that is a project for another day. So I'll probably make a video about that later, but as of now, everything's in the containers. I know what everything is. I just need to make the labels. If you've watched this far, thank you for watching my grocery haul slash pantry organization slash I think I did actually all of my cabinets in here. I organized all my cabinets with food in it. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, enjoy the final product.